up, Jessica Squad? We got this at Daiso Market. It's $1.50. It's this cool device here to make potato chips. So we're going to test it out. It has all these slots. It's a big ring. You slice your potatoes very thin, and then you just insert them in the slots, and then you microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before the cooking time, check how the chips are coming along. If they're not cooked through, keep heating for another 30 seconds at a time. So if this actually makes good potato chips, this will be like a really good find. So let's check it out and see if it really works. And this is how it looks outside of the package. So now I'm going to slice up some potatoes, nice and even and thin, and insert them in all of these slots. It's time to microwave these. Let's see how they come out. I hope they really come out crispy. There we go. Oh. You excited? Mm-hmm. See, I can't wait.
I can't wait.
That's weird. Okay, so there they are.
Oh, yeah, Mom, is it?
Whoa, it was really steamy in there. These do not look like potato chips at all. They're very wet. I'll microwave these for 30-second increments. Check on it. If they're still like that, I'll do another 30 seconds. Okay, see you in another 30 seconds. Okay. Not crisp yet.
Ready? Floor, ready?
Still too moist. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a full minute. Actually, I'll just put like 2 more minutes. Okay, here we go. Still too floppy. I think they're supposed to come out crisp. Yeah, they all, even the thinnest ones are still like floppy. They're not even crunchy yet. They're just like a wet noodle. I guess I should just go for it and put them in for like a whole minute now. These potatoes in for 2 more minutes.
Let me taste it.
Let's see what's happening to them.
Give me.
I still taste like raw potato. Yeah.
Mmm.
This is how like an undercooked potato. I'll just put them in for another 2 minutes. Okay. Here we go. Let's see now. They have some little like air pockets forming.
Did I try it?
Some bubbles forming. So it looks like we're gonna need 1 more minute.
I want to be the taste tester.
Huh? You wanna be a taste tester? I lost track of how long I microwaved these, but we lost a few there. But this has been quite some time. So now I think I have to let these cool down before we can, maybe they'll harden as they're cooling down. So let me just set them over here. They look like potato chips now, especially like the ones that kind of crinkled up. Or like the ones that got like a little bubble on them, like as if they've been fried. So after they cool down, hopefully they will be hard. And these were the 3 that fell out of the little basket. These are actually feeling dry and crispy, but I'll let them cool down. Okay, everybody, so I kind of jumped right into making these potatoes, and I skipped step number 2, which was to dry your potatoes with a paper towel. And then also, they have like a little thing here, like on step number 3, if you weigh them, like if it weighs 60 grams, it should take 6 minutes. If they weigh 100 grams, it should be 9 minutes. or less depending on the wattage of your microwave. I don't even know what wattage my microwave is. And it also says if it takes more than 10 minutes, let your chips cool down once before heating again. And it says try to cook them until they're slightly browned, but don't cook them beyond being brown or it might melt the chip maker. Now I can go ahead and microwave these again, I guess, for another minute. Okay, let's see here. This one feels dried out. This is a little flexible. I'm just gonna put these in for 2 minutes. Okay, so there they are. Let's go put them on a plate and serve them and see if they're good. Okay, so there's the chips. And since they don't have any salt on them, I guess I'll just get a little salt. Sea salt on those guys. I have a little spray, a little seasoning spray there, and a little salt. I'll just give them a little toss. And then we'll go see. There it is, guys. We're gonna try them. They actually got crispy. You could probably hear us crunching, right? Maybe next time, before we put them in there, we're going to sprinkle them with salt and spray them with the cooking oil, and they might turn brown faster and get crunchier faster.
They're too soggy.
Too soggy.
No, it just tastes too raw.
Thanks for watching, and it took a lot longer than I expected, but they ended up turning into potato chips. And I think the total time I cooked these were almost like 15 minutes or longer.
They got really good.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.